Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we are diving into a review of CIT Bank. If you are looking to get the most out of your savings, CIT Bank might have some interesting options for you in 2024. We will cover the pros and cons, account types, fees, and what makes this bank stand out in the online banking world. So let's get into it. Pros of CIT Bank. Alright, so why might CIT Bank be a good option for you? Here are some of the key advantages. Number 1. High yield interest rates. CIT Bank is known for offering rates that are often above the national average. So if maximizing your savings interest is a priority, CIT is definitely worth considering. Second, they have low or no monthly fees. Most accounts do not require you to pay monthly maintenance fees, which is a big plus. Third, flexibility with account options. Whether you want a traditional savings account, a money market, or a CD, CIT Bank has something that can fit different savings goals. And since it's all online, you can access your account 24/7. Cons of CIT Bank. Now let's go over some potential downsides. Every bank has its limitations, and CIT is no exception. The first con is the lack of physical branches. If you are someone who prefers in-person service, CIT's online-only model might be a drawback. Another con is that their high-interest savings accounts come with conditions. To get the best rate, you will need to either maintain a minimum balance or make regular deposits. This might not be ideal for people who can't commit to these requirements. And lastly, customer service. CIT Bank has decent customer support options, but without in-person help, your experience will be limited to phone or online support, which some users find a bit impersonal. CIT Bank account types. Now let's talk about the main account options that CIT Bank offers and what makes each one unique. First, the CIT Savings Builder account. This account offers one of the higher interest rates available, but there is a catch. You'll need to maintain a monthly deposit of at least $100 or keep a balance above a certain threshold to earn the best rate. Next, there is the money market account. This is another high yield option with competitive rates, but it offers a bit more flexibility than a savings account. For example, you can write checks from this account, which isn't possible with a typical savings account. Now let's talk about visual of the CIT Bank CD account on a website. And lastly, we have CIT's certificates of deposit or CDs. These accounts lock in your money for a set period, like 6 months or even several years, and they offer higher interest rates the longer you commit. The downside is that you will pay a penalty if you withdraw early. Is CIT Bank right for you? That depends on your financial needs and preferences. If you are comfortable with online banking, and especially if you are looking for a high yield savings or CD, CIT Bank could be a strong choice. The low fees, solid interest rates, and range of account types make it appealing for people who prioritize growing their savings. However, if you need regular cash deposits or prefer in-person support, you might want to consider other options with more physical locations or ATM access. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.